Look what I found, JP. Is this yours?
No, that's not mine, Maria.
Very strange it appears here.
Maria, it's just a remote.
Huh? I'll press to see what it is.
Okay.
Probably it is broken.
Maria, maybe if we go and... Huh? The remote changed my voice.
It changed mine too, JP. My voice is so funny. Why?
Press the like button and subscribe to the channel.
This is very cool.
Let me see, Maria.
Maria!
Hi, Joao.
Come on, the bees are already gone.
Let's...
Phew!
That was close. Now give me the remote control.
Oh no!
2 JPs. I don't like it. I need to undo this. Uh-oh. I need to undo this.
Phew, Maria Clara, I'm so glad you did that. I did not want to share my video game with so many JPs.
Look, I'm orange.
Maria, everything turned orange.
Yes, look, the couch. It was white.
Let's change the color.
I'm pink.
Yeah, me too. Everything is pink now.
Look.
Go again.
Purple, my favorite color.
Wow, it's so cool. It changes colors.
Look.
And now it's all blue.
Ooh, Joao, your hair is very funny. Look at JP's hair. Mine also. Look how cool. Oh, I'm full of blue.
Hey, Maria, turn on the lights.
Where are you, Joao? I'm not seeing you.
Me neither.
Whew, we got it. You are afraid of the dark, right?
No. How about you give me the remote, because I have a great idea.
Wow, what a beautiful flower. I have another idea, JP. We came to the park.
And it also has a pool, Maria.
I'll slide. Woo, woo, woo! Wow, I was very fast.
Woohoo!
JP, let's go to the pool.
Let's go, Maria.
Hey, Joao, won't you swim?
Ooh, now I can watch Maria Clara and JP videos. Yeah! I'll press the like button.
Oh, Joao, I didn't want to go back. It was so cool.
Yeah, I agree. Can we try to bring it back? Aw, the magic remote controller disappeared.
Oh, I wanted to go back.
Wake up, JP! It's time to wake up!
Maria, what happened to your hair?
Nothing! Why?
Oh, nothing. But it might be good to go and look at a mirror.
Oh, JP, you are always funny. What happened? I look so ugly. What happened to my hair?
Oh no!
JP, I've already watched this episode. Could I change it?
Of course, Maria.
Thank you. Hey, you! You having problems with your hair and don't know what to do to make it beautiful? You have tried everything, but nothing works. Your problems are over! Come to visit the beauty salon called Princess Hair. Here, you arrive this way
Oh no!
and leave this way. Wow! I need to go to this beauty salon! What are you waiting for? Come on! Hello? Is this place Princess Hair? Yes, it is! Sweetie, what happened to your hair? Uh-oh. It is matted. It's because I don't like to comb my hair. I slept, and when I woke up, I was this way.
Oh no!
Don't worry, sweetie. Here you arrive looking like a witch and leave looking like a princess. You can sit here. Just a minute. You need the child seat. Now, I'll wash your hair using a special shampoo. Awesome! I want to become beautiful. Cold water is actually much healthier for our hair. No, I don't like cold water. Okay, so I will use warm water. Now this is the princess shampoo. Wash, wash, wash. Wash, wash, wash. Oh, this massage is so good. I think I need to rub your hair a little bit more. Ready? Now the water. Maria Clara, your hair is very fragile, so you need to wash it carefully. Now I'll use this nutritive mask and your hair will be beautiful. This is so relaxing. I'm getting sleepy because I am so relaxed. Oh, Maria, your hair is already much softer. Let me take out what is in here. Oh, it's not in here. Here it is. We will use this to act as the mask. I'm so anxious to see my princess hair. Sweetie, now it is spa time. Relax. First, let me apply this clay mask to your face. Let's take off your shoes and take care of your feet. This is so awesome! I had never done it before. If you are liking my spa time, don't forget to press the like button. Now it is time to relax.
Maria, I'm gonna go for a walk. I'll be right back, okay?
Okay, don't delay. It is ready. We need to go ahead and take off that face mask. It is ready! Now we need to get this hair mask off your head. Maria, you are looking like a princess. Now, I have some hair care tips for you and your hair. First thing is, don't brush your hair when it's dry. When you need to comb your hair, you need to use a hairbrush. And make sure you hold your hair just like this in the front and comb your hair carefully. Very carefully. I love it when my hair is combed. I feel so relaxed. Your hair is ready. Now you need to sit here, okay? Just sit quietly. Now I will use this to make some curls in your hair. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Wow! Last part. Wow, your hair looks so beautiful!
Maria, your hair is perfect! Congrats!
Thank you, JP. I love it! Let's go ahead and sand your nails. Now let's paint. Ready. It is perfect! I'm happy to see you happy. So guys, that was the video and I hope you liked it. If yes, press the like button and subscribe. Lots of hugs and kisses! Bye bye, and I'll see you next video. Yay!
Her down, undress her little gown. I'm putting on a blanket and kissing her goodnight. My dove, I love my little dove.
Look, there's a new video out on Maria, Clara, and JP Games. Watch, like, and share.
Hello, how are you guys?
Huh? Oh my goodness, it looks like he's sick. Let me see. Ow! Your head is so hot, baby. I'll get the thermometer. Haha! Found it! Come on, let me check your temperature. Fever! You have a fever, son! What are we going to do? Son, let's go to the doctor now. Calm down, my baby. Everything is going to be okay. I'm sure of it.
Hello, JP. What happened to your baby?
Doctor, today my baby woke up with all these blisters everywhere, and I don't know what to do about it. And when I went to go and check his temperature, it was a really high fever. I already bathed him and gave him food and water, but nothing seems to help.
Okay, could you put him right here? Here.
Daddy, where am I? I said, where am I? Help me, help me, help me. I don't know where I am. Please help me. Oh, man. Owie, owie, this really hurts.
It's because you're sick, so I need to take care of you. I need my glasses. Let me see what's happening.
Doctor, do you think his heart is okay?
Yes, it's okay.
Phew, that's a relief.
Now sit down. I'm gonna give you a shot, but no need to be scared, okay? Dad, is the vaccination card for him up to date?
I don't think so, so maybe I forgot.
That's why he's sick. You can't forget the vaccine. Now look into your ear canal. Okay, it's sturdy, but okay. Also okay.
Hey, but what about the fever, Doctor?
Well, he is hot, but to be sure, I'll use this thermometer. Beep. Your baby has a super high fever! We need to get him a shot urgently. It's really important.
Oh no, a shot? That's probably going to hurt him.
No, JP's daddy, it won't hurt. Okay. Don't worry, JP, it'll be fast. Ready. He's ready. He'll be better soon, JP.
That's perfect, Doctor. I'm feeling really bad too. Hey, what's wrong, Doctor?
I can't say. I think it'd be better for you to see for yourself.
I'm sick! I'm sick! I'm gonna die!
Oops.
I think I better help you. Come on. Sit here. Ready? Now let me see. Let's see. Let me see your ear. It's okay. Okay. Now you need to put out your tongue just like this. Blah.
Ah!
Okay, everything looks fine. Now, let me see your temperature. Let's see. You have a high fever, just like your baby. You definitely need a shot, JP.
Oh no, Doctor, don't give me medicine. Don't give me a shot. I'm just so afraid of that.
Now it's your turn.
No, Doctor! I'm just so afraid! Don't do it! Don't do it! No, no, no!
Oh, this way will be much better to give him a shot. All done! So I'll take care of his child while he sleeps. Now I can take these spots out. It must be quickly. Good to go! And your father is waking up!
Thank you so much, Doctor. I feel way better now.
Your son is all good to go!
Okay.
I'll shave too. It's like chantilly, but it's not edible. My hair! I put it a lot. Ah!
Maria, what are you doing? This is not a child's thing or a toy, it's for adults. If you play with this, you might cut yourself on accident.
Sorry, Dad. I promise I won't touch it anymore.
Okay, but you're grounded.
Yay!
Wow, look at Dad's car. This is so cool. I wonder if I can drive.
Oh, no!
Hi, Dad. Look at me. I know how to drive. Oops, I guess Dad doesn't want me to be here. Joao, get out of here. Let's go. Listen, children can never drive. It could be dangerous. Oh, Dad, I just wanted to try it out. You're not allowed. You're grounded. Yay! I'm finally free!
Wow. I have one idea. I don't want this shoe. I know, Mother's shoes. This one. My mom's skirt will look perfect on me, I'm sure. Now in the catwalk, Maria Clara. Ah! Oh, my foot is stuck. Hey, Dad!
Maria, look at what happened to your mother's shoe.
Oops, sorry, Dad. I wanted to be a beautiful model.
Now I have to go and buy a brand new shoe for your mother. You're grounded on the wall.
Yeah!
Woohoo! Wow, look at Dad's cool new computer here. But it's not very funny here. I'm gonna make a surprise for my dad. Surprise! Do you like your brand new desk?
No.
Joao, you ruined my computer. Look at what you did. Are you kidding me, Joao? My son, this is Father's workplace, so you can't go and touch any of the things here, okay? I'm sorry, Dad. Your desk just didn't look very funny. You can't do things like that, Joao. You are grounded. Yay! My punishment is over! Woohoo!
Go, go! I'll win! I'll win! I'm the best. Oh, I'm hungry. I know! Done. I think this watermelon is too big for me. I know, I'll cut it.
Maria, children can't handle knives. If you use a knife, you can cut yourself, and that's very dangerous.
I'm sorry, Dad. It's because I'm hungry and I was going to cut. Could you cut it, please?
Okay, eat your watermelon, alright, but you're grounded.
I'm grounded, but at least I'm eating watermelon. Now I learned I can't use adult things because we can burn, cut, or get hurt.
Daddy has a surprise for you.
Kinetic sand! I always wanted one of these. I'll open. Wow! Ooh! Thank you, Dad. I learned all the lessons from this video. School! Ew. Oh no! Good morning, everyone. Welcome. Huh? Sit down, please. Please put your books on the table. Huh? No, Maria, stop it, stop it!
Math class!
It is not difficult to learn math. You just need to know how to divide, multiply, add, and subtract. If you subtract, you'll discover the difference between two numbers. It's so cool. It's much more interesting than studying the month names, don't you agree with me? Math is so important to our daily life. It helps us in the supermarket, in a store, even at the cinema. Because every time you need to buy something, you are using math.
Present!
Art class!
Guys, for today's lesson, we have the Maria Clara drawing. I want you to draw a similar one today for the lesson. Oh, that's so easy. Very good, Maria. Let me see it. No.
Physical education class.
It is so important to do physical education class, so we'll start now with jumping rope. Here, Maria, your turn. Today I need to go to sleep earlier, so I'll be more active at school tomorrow. Good morning, everyone! Good morning, everyone! Maria, you look so beautiful! Very well, Maria. Put your books on the table. I totally studied a lot. Ah! I'm finished with it now. Congrats, Maria. It's all right. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ah! Congrats, Maria. You did very well today. I'm so impressed with your hard work. So you'll be receiving this A Student Medal. Yay! Wow, it's so beautiful. Guys, look, this is the medal that I received from my teacher. In this video, we learned that it's very important to study hard and be obedient at school. It's really important, okay? Guys, thank you so much for watching this video until the end. Please subscribe on the channel and follow us on Instagram. The link is below. Check it out. So guys, that was the video and I hope you liked it. If yes, press the like button and subscribe. Lots of hugs and kisses. Bye-bye. And see you next video.
Oh, mommy, mommy, yes, baby. I hurt my knee, I'm all in tears. Help me, mommy, make my boo-boo better now. Don't cry, my baby, it's okay. A bandage and a kiss will make your pain go away. See your boo-boo
Yes,